For this dish, these are the ingredients we shall be using: onion, red pepper, green beans, tomatoes, green pepper, garlic chive, ghee oil, salt, curry, and thyme, of course with some eggs. Okay, so let's get cooking. That's the girl who get him up on him. Enjoy down your name. Enjoy down to secret contents.
Everything I know, I'm going to give you.
Yeah, I won't much.
Okay. I won't be fast. Can I lose Maria?
So guys, while I was cooking, at some point the NEPA ceased light, so you could see it's no longer very bright here, but it's okay. You already saw it from the beginning and you saw how nicely it was looking, and this is really delicious, guys. Yeah, so all of this was just with a touch light. You could imagine how beautiful it was when, you know, the light was there. Okay, so I urge you to try it out and let me know how it turns out for you. Please kindly comment if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please kindly do so right now. It is free. Stay safe till I see you next time. Bye bye.